Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a content calendar in ClickUp. So first, what you will have to do is, of course, open your ClickUp, and once you're here, you will click your space and then look for a folder that you would want your content calendar to be in. And once you're here, you will create a new list if you don't have one yet, and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is name it as content calendar. Then what you will do is make it as list only. So go ahead and save that. And then now what you will have to do is add tasks for each content piece. And you can also set due dates, and then you will use custom fields for the status, for the platform, and owner. Then you will switch to calendar view and you will drag tasks to schedule posts. And by the way, you can use recurring tasks for repeated content like weekly posts. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.